remember the days when you're here with me, those laughters and tears we shed for years. The memories that we had